Airy, golden, and crispy crust with tender, juicy meat inside. Do you want to take a bite? Hi, today we're making fried pork cutlets. Let's start with these beautiful pork chops. First, tenderize the pork with the back of a knife. This is a physical tenderizing process. Flip it over after working on the first side. Repeatedly pounding the meat helps break up the fibers, making the meat more tender. Now let's move on to the marination. For convenience, I'm using a seasoning mix called New Orleans style, but you can use any seasonings you like, even something as simple as salt and pepper. Also give the pork a thorough massage to absorb the flavors. Then let the pork marinate for 30 minutes. One of the secrets to crispy fried pork is the egg. Crack 2 eggs into a small bowl, whisk them well, then pour them into a wide dish. You'll also need breadcrumbs. Place them in a large dish and spread them out evenly. Now it's time to coat the pork. Dip each piece of pork directly into the egg wash, making sure both sides are fully coated. Then place the pork into the breadcrumbs. Press down inch by inch with your hands to ensure the breadcrumbs stick firmly and evenly. After coating, let the pork sit for 5 minutes. A non-stick skillet is the best tool for frying. It's oil-saving and convenient, about 1 inch deep. When the oil reaches desired temperature, add the pork. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on the first side. Also adjust the position to ensure even cooking. Then flip the pork over and fry the other side for another 2 to 3 minutes. The egg wash helps make the pork golden and tender, while the breadcrumbs create a crispy, airy texture. Once done, place the pork on a paper towel to absorb excess oil. Then they're ready to cut and serve. Let me take a bite first. Oh my god! The crust is golden, crispy, and light as air with every bite, while the meat inside is so tender, juicy, and flavorful. I especially love it with different dipping sauces. Please give this recipe a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.